Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can see or watch exclusive content on Instagram. Now to do this, first of all, you have to head over to the Instagram. And on the Instagram, click on the search tab to search for the account that you want to watch their exclusive content. So let's just say I want to watch Don Anley Stevenson exclusive content. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to head over to his account. Now on this account, what I am going to do is to click on the crown. As you see there, the crown symbol there. This is the place where you can find their exclusive content. So just click on it, and then it will tell you that it's subscribers only that can see this content. Do not worry, I'm going to show you how you can be able to watch their videos for free without so just what you have to do is you click free trial. So when you click on it, you're going to see some of the videos. However, you cannot access them for now. So in order for you to access them, what you're going to do is to click try for 14 days. So once you click try for 14 days, now you will not be instructed to put in your card info and all that. So what you're going to do is to put in your card info, and then you're going to have access to them for 14 days. Now after that 14 days, you will not be able to pay some amount of money for you to access their exclusive content. So that is how you can be able to do this. So you just have to put in your card details, and then you try watching this content for 14 days. Then after that, you cannot pay. Like this video and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.